So I'm about to prepare my curry laksa and I'm going to prepare the paste for the curry. So let's see what ingredients we have. We have chilies. So normally I use the big red Lombok chilies, but capsicum is only available for now. I also have dried chilies to add a bit of flavor. What else do I have? Well, I've got galangal, ginger, garlic. What do we have over here? We have onions. We don't need rice. Curry leaves, and then we have noodles, yellow noodles, and vermicelli or rice noodles, thin rice noodles. I've got turmeric powder. I've got Thai style shrimp paste. So we have some coriander seeds, and that's pretty much it. So I'll be blending all of them together. We create the paste, and then you make the broth later on. Alright, take care. Bye-bye. So what I have is I have removed a chicken breast from a whole chicken, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate the chicken. White pepper, soy sauce, now we have galangal, so it looks like this. This one's a bit old, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape the skin, and then I'm going to chop into small pieces and put it into the blender. Lemongrass, and what we do is we're going to bruise them. So that's to allow the flavor to come up. And what we only want is actually the flavor over here. And the outer skin sometimes is very hard to chop, to grind, so we remove them out. And we can keep it later for some soup or something like that. Up, I have some bell peppers, capsicum. So usually I make this a bit more spicier. I'll put a bit of red chilies to go make it spicier, but I'm making this for friends, so I'm just going to use bell peppers, but I'll keep the seeds instead. I need to blend over here, and I'm going to add coriander seeds. Alright, so we're going to blend them together. Remember, this is just the paste to fry it. So forgot we actually add shrimp paste into the blend as well. So this is going to go, this is a shrimp paste, Thai style, inside here, and we're going to blend it. Alright. Blending this so it has like this red chili fiery paste. Usually I blend turmeric as well, but I don't have fresh turmeric, so I'm just going to use powdered turmeric. Right. Add that in. I like to add copious amounts, and then we blend. This looks like this. I'm just going to pour out. Nice. So next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be frying the sauteed mix I have. So you see over here it's all mixed up, and I'm going to be sauteing this. So it's going to be nice. Alright, talk to you later. I'll show you again. Bye. I'll be adding some curry leaves. I'm gonna stir it at medium heat, alright? This is like the base or what. I added some oil. So what we're doing is we are just stirring it until the flavor comes out. I have a bit of sugar, so I'm going to add sugar. Oops. And then you can add water, just water. Add more salt if needed. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. So once this is boiling, I added a little bit of salt. I'm just going to add a bit more sugar. And then what we do is we will turn it off and we can add our coconut milk. Right? So that's what I'm going to do. So added dried bean curd stick and I've broken them into pieces, so it comes like this, maybe about 20 centimeters. I've broken them into pieces. I've added it to the curry as a replicate of tofu, but you can use hard tofu as well to put into your, or either fried tofu puffs, that's also fine. Alright guys, so for a final touch I'm going to add tofu bean curd skin into my laksa. And then later on I'll cook the meat and then I'll go and serve it together with the cooked noodles. Alright, so looks good. Now let's prepare the noodles. As the water is boiling, what we'll do is we're going to add 1 packet of the rice vermicelli. And we'll let it boil, right? We will then add also this brand Hokkien noodles or yellow noodles, right? Make sure you can see, into the boiling mixture. So a handful of it. That we do. And we give it a stir. Well, I should use chopsticks, it's easier. for the noodles to boil, I've had hard-boiled eggs and I cut it to half. Right? When it's ready, we remove the boil and then you drain the water. Right? Once you have drained the yarn, put the noodles on the plate. Put the noodles, mixture of both. Once this is served, you can pour your laksa sauce and you'll be ready. Voila!